Sorry for the darkness, but it's 11 p.m. and we finally finished all the decoration. Happy birthday. Can't believe she will be 4 tomorrow. She's still so small. And the best thing, the cake. By her request with gummy bears and Smarties and chocolate frosting, and underneath it's marble cake. Okay, midday update. I already cried 4 times because I'm so emotional because Forrest, she's just so old. She's a preschool kid now. And it seems like yesterday that she was born, and yeah, that makes me emotional, and I think I'm getting a migraine. That adds up. Other than that, I spent the morning cleaning, so the house looks perfect for the next 2 hours until the other kids arrive and everything's destroyed again. And I spent the day, it's hot water for my tea because I really need one right now. And I spent the rest of the day baking. We made mini cakes and with pink frosting per special demands. I don't like pink. But I remember that I was into pink when I was that age, and that my mother didn't let me have my pink princess birthday party. So yeah, if she wants it, she's going to get it. All the pink and all the glitter she wants. All the work is done. Just need to prepare for the kids and then survive the kids. So wish me luck. My day just got a little brighter. This is the ordinary order, the first one, and I'm so excited, but no time. It's done. We survived. I survived and the kids survived, all of them, and I think they had a great time. It was really fun to prove once more how grown up she is, because it wasn't Mama all the time. Whereas Mama, you can go now. This is kid space. We're playing here. And yeah, we had treasure hunt, and we had cake, and we had lots of sweets, and we had fries and sausages at the end, and it was great. And she had some great friends. I never really met them except from kindergarten. Yeah, it was great, but I'm honestly completely exhausted. It's 8:30 now, and we're planning on watching a movie, Atomic Blonde, but I'm not sure if I'm going to make it through the whole movie. And quickly, it is the next morning, and it's Sunday and filming day, so I brought everything, and it's so much that you need. I obviously need my tea and the camera and all the lighting. It's not set up yet. And this is all the stuff I had to bring from upstairs. And then some outfit options, because of course I'm going to film in bulk. Yeah. And that is what is new, what was in my order yesterday. The ordinary niacinamide and zinc, the buffet salicylic acid, EUK 134 degree, and a matrixyl 10% for blemish prone and aging saggy skin, which is basically mine. Look at that. These ones are by Aldi, and they look a lot like the L'Oreal ones. Haven't opened them yet. I'm going to take pictures of all that later. I'm going to film an inspired by today, so there is a lot of makeup here. I'm going to try to recreate this beautiful look. Right now I look like this. So yeah, there's always a ton of swatching involved, as you can see on my hand, because I try to plan these videos in advance, but yeah. And I end up sitting here going through my stash. Oh no, what am I going to use? So let's see if I can do something remotely similar.